guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a collab with Ebony Line. I'm reviewing this gorgeous wig by Bobbi Boss called Maribel. I'm doing a voiceover because for some reason I filmed this video and I couldn't hear myself. I have a new camera, don't judge me. But I will be voice overing anything that you want to know, so keep watching. This wig is glueless. It has a large clip in the back that you can adjust. It also comes with the basic wig straps that come in the back of the wig as well. It has a large clip in the back, which I absolutely love, and it also has two large clips in the front. The lace is HD and transparent. I don't even think I have to tint the lace, so I don't think I'm going to, but yes, you guys, watch me install this wig. That's pretty much what I'm saying in this clip. Watch me install this. This install was so easy and fast. I literally not used any products as far as like installing it. No glue, no anything. I love the layers. I love how it looks from the back. I love this hair. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Everything will be in my description box. I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.